Welcome to Eddie Meyer.
Today we will talk about the 9 fastest helicopters in the world. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Number 1. Eurocopter X3, 302 miles per hour. Meet the Eurocopter X3, the superhero of helicopters in 2023. It's not just the fastest, it's a hybrid wonder, mixing traditional rotor flare with twin turboprop engines. Originally a speed racer, this chopper's got the moves, hitting 302 miles per hour. Plus, it's a party inside, fitting up to 11 passengers or cool mission gear. Number 2. Sikorsky X2, 299 miles per hour. Flying in at number 2 is the Sikorsky X2. Picture this. A helicopter with a coaxial rotor system and a pusher propeller. It's the superhero duo of stability and speed, zipping through the skies at 299 miles per hour. Slick design, minimal vibes. The X2 is the James Bond of helicopters. Number 3. Bell AH-1Z Viper, 255 miles per hour. Introducing the Bell AH-1Z Viper, the rock star of the helicopter world. With a max speed of 255 miles per hour, this modernized Cobra means business. It's armed to the teeth for the U.S. Marine Corps, playing gigs in close air support and reconnaissance. Speed, agility, and a killer look. The Viper's got it all. Number 4. Sikorsky S97 Raider, 252 miles per hour. Say hello to the Sikorsky S97 Raider, the maverick of helicopters. Zooming in at 252 miles per hour, this next-gen flyer is all about advanced tech and agility. Designed for armed escort and special ops, it's the helicopter equivalent of a secret agent, sleek and unstoppable. Number 5. Westland Lynx, 247 miles per hour. The Westland Lynx, an 80s legend, still rocks the top speeds at 247 miles per hour. A bit like your favorite vintage car, it set speed records in '86 and is still cruising cool. A bit of a show-off, the Lynx is known for loop-de-loops at air shows. Timeless and always ready to impress. Number 6. Sikorsky CH53E Super Stallion, 195 miles per hour. Meet the heavyweight champion, the Sikorsky CH53E Super Stallion. At 195 miles per hour, it's the muscle car of helicopters. Built for heavy lifting and epic missions, this chopper is like a superhero in a tough guy disguise. Quick, powerful, and ready for action. Number 7. Eurocopter AS365 Dolphin, 190 miles per hour. Cue the Eurocopter S365 Dolphin, the socialite of helicopters. Zipping around at 190 miles per hour, it's the VIP transport of the skies. Think offshore glam, search and rescue chic. Airbus Helicopter's brainchild is the runway model of the heli world, sleek, speedy, and always in demand. Number 8. Bell UH-1Y Venom, 188 miles per hour. Enter the Bell UH-1Y Venom, the heli Huey, remixed and upgraded. Hitting the scene at 188 miles per hour, it's a multitasker, troop insertion, medical evac, search and rescue. A total crowd pleaser, this chopper is the life of the party, rocking versatility and cool factor. Number 9. Boeing AH-64 Apache, 182 miles per hour. Last on our speed tour but not least, the Boeing AH-64 Apache. This combat maestro hits 182 miles per hour, blending speed, stealth, and firepower. The action hero of helicopters, it's armed for close air support and anti-tank warfare. In the helicopter world, the Apache is the tough guy with a heart of speed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more cool videos.